Hi. So you've decided to apply for the position of loan processing associate. Well, just you just have to follow few steps and your application will be done in no time. To do that, go to skilllab.homerun.co and you'll be taken to this screen. Scroll down to the job section and select on the loan processing associate job. Take some time to read all the job description, the details, and the benefits. So the basic hiring process is you will apply for this job, and you will do a assessment test, and then there will be interview, phone interview, and finally you will be forwarded to the company who will take over from there. So to apply, click on the apply now button. So you will be taken to this apply form. So fill in all the important details. Then you need to upload your resume. You select the files here, select your resume and upload it. So once you've uploaded it, you go to next. And so the questions, you preview your application, check if anything is wrong, and then you confirm your application, and voila, the application has been submitted. So once your application has been submitted, so you will receive an email, confirmation email like this. So you will be sent the link for the assessment test here. So just click on this link. So see there are 21 questions. You click on this link and will be taken to a test screen like this. So to start the test, you make sure that you won't be disturbed for the next 40 minutes, and you just put in your name, your email, and your college. Click on the start a new test. So you'll see the test screen like this. So here's the time, it's 40 minutes. You'll get 21 questions. So answer each of the questions, select the answers, and you just click next. And once you complete it, you submit the application. So once you submit your test, we'll receive your test scores, and then we'll get back to you over a phone interview, and your application will be moving forward like this. So thank you for applying for this position, and best of luck to you all.